We will see how the depreciation areas show the depreciation amount and how the different currencies will show when we run the acquisition and all. So first I will show you a typical company code where group and local currency and everything is the same currency. Then we'll explore one more company code where we have a different currencies. So for that, first we'll go to Indian company code. So this is an Indian company code and this is the asset. So here we'll see this is the amount APC value is 40,000 and it is showing in INR for a depreciation area 31 and the group currency is INR. Even if we go to 01, so here also the company code currency is INR. So you will see there is a no difference between the group currency and the normal company code currency. It's showing the same values. So what if I have a different company codes and how the asset explorer will show up? So for that, what we'll do is we'll quickly go to AW01 again. I will try to get the US specific company code, Tata Motors US, and there is one asset which we recently created. So for US, these are the two assets. I think Ford machine is the one asset where we have some values. So let me select and press enter. So here you will see there are two books have been showing up here. One is a 01 and other one is a 31. So if we go to 01, depreciation 01, so it is showing the currency as USD. Okay, so whatever the 10,000 amount is there, that is showing up in USD. Now, if I go to 31 depreciation area, so it is showing the same amount and it has been converted into a Indian currency, that is INR. Okay, so this is how you can explore Internet Asset Explorer, and we can uh, explore more details like what is my depreciation area and how is going to be depreciated each month. Here also, if you go to book depreciation 01, it is showing up in normal ordinary depreciation. So comparison, if we go to comparison, so this depreciation has 10 years, I think. So for that reason, it is divided into a multiple years equally. So this is how we can see if a depreciation area has a multiple currencies and it will not directly show up at the back end. You have to do the configuration and all. Based upon that only, it will show up like this. Thank you.